A flex pipe is a critical component of your vehicle's exhaust system. This corrugated, flexible section is designed to absorb engine vibrations and accommodate thermal expansion, protecting other exhaust components from damage. When a flex pipe begins to fail, several symptoms become apparent. The most common signs include loud exhaust noises during acceleration, rattling or buzzing sounds from underneath the vehicle, and hissing noises indicating exhaust leaks. One clear visual indicator of flex pipe failure is black soot deposits around the damaged area. This occurs when exhaust gases escape through cracks or holes in the flex pipe, leaving telltale signs of the leak. Flex pipe failures typically result from four main causes. Fatigue cracking occurs from repeated flexing over time. Corrosion develops from road salt, moisture, and exhaust acids. Impact damage can result from road debris or bottoming out. Finally, thermal stress from extreme heat cycles weakens the metal structure. Modern flex pipes have significantly improved over older designs. Today's flex pipes use multi-layer stainless steel construction with enhanced corrosion resistance. These advanced materials and manufacturing processes have extended the typical lifespan from 5 to 7 years up to 8 to 12 years. Early detection of flex pipe problems is crucial for maintaining emission compliance and preventing more expensive damage to other exhaust system components. Regular inspection can save both money and ensure your vehicle continues to run efficiently. Diagnosing a bad flex pipe starts with visual inspection. The flex pipe is located between the exhaust manifold and catalytic converter, and you need to look for specific signs of failure. Look closely at the corrugated flex pipe section for visible cracks, holes, or excessive corrosion. These are the most common signs of failure that you can spot during a visual inspection. Professional diagnostic methods provide more accurate detection of flex pipe problems. OBD2 scanners can reveal diagnostic trouble codes like P0420 or P0430, which often indicate upstream exhaust leaks affecting the catalytic converter. For temporary fixes, exhaust bandage wraps and gun gum paste can provide short-term solutions. These repairs typically last 1,000 to 3,000 miles and can reduce noise by 60 to 80%. Permanent replacement is the best long-term solution. This process requires proper safety procedures, including allowing the exhaust system to cool completely and using proper jack points to raise the vehicle safely. The replacement process involves removing heat shields, supporting the exhaust system, disconnecting the old flex pipe, and installing the new one with fresh gaskets and anti-seize compound. Always use new gaskets and proper torque specifications. After installation, proper testing is crucial. Start the engine and check for immediate leaks. Then road test the vehicle for 10 to 15 minutes while varying the RPM. Finally, clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes and reinspect all connections after the system has thermally cycled.